Tropical Cyclone Jasper will hit the far north Queensland coast early this afternoon and into this evening. It's expected to make landfall early this afternoon and into this evening. While currently it remains a Category 1, it is still expected to intensify to a Category 2 system and is expected to hit the coast between Hopevale and Cairns. Conditions will grow more intense throughout the day in that part of far north Queensland. This is a serious event, and it has been some time since this part of the coast has seen a cyclone of this intensity.
The winds, as I've said, have already begun and will continue to worsen, and the likely scenario is they'll reach up to 140 kilometres per hour. So winds of this speed and this category system, we can see trees starting to fall down, including large trees, and any unsecured items can be moved around as well. In addition to the wind, we're also looking into the rainfall. So the rainfall isn't just a hazard that can happen with the crossing, but it can happen days after this cyclone has crossed. So the major risk for today is flash flooding. So we do have on our cyclone warning the risk of flash flooding within that warning area that may lead to dangerous and life-threatening flash flooding. And that's